Hello, my name is Martina Novalina. I am from STT Ekumene Jakarta. I'm writing with Mr. Erastus Sabdono and Mr. Indria Samego from STT Ekumene Jakarta. Our paper title is Sufism and Kenosis, the basis of one's resilience as a Zoom politician. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic brought humans into a new civilization, where every activity has commonly done face-to-face shifted into activities in the network. When interacting with others, those who are used to mobile should replace it with online meetings, which are generally done through virtual applications. One of them is the Zoom meeting application. In 2020, the Zoom meeting application occupied the first position as the most frequently used online meeting and video conference application. Over time, Zoom can no longer be said to be just a mere meeting application. Additional features such as games, beauty filters, gallery views, real-time language translation, and more make virtual meetings more engaging, less rigid, and provide new experiences in the application. And this is well utilized by some communities in communicating and socializing. Zoom meetings become a container of changes in human interaction patterns with others, which in other terms, I will call this as a Zoom politician. The term Zoom politician is derived from the understanding of Zoom politician, a term for human as a social creatures who are drafted to live interaction with each others. This work from home or study from home condition makes Zoom politician turn into Zoom politician. Changes experienced by the community in virtual meetings certainly require adaptation, and not a few people end up experiencing problems due to work from home or studying from home online, where they have to socialize or active through a computer at all times. Some previous studies have said that the problem that often occurs during work from home or studying from home is depression due to loneliness, fatigue, stress, insomnia, and others. Previous research by Pustika Sari found that learning media using Zoom application risked 2 times experiencing fatigue in students and 4 times the risk of experiencing stress. The solution to this problem is to modify the learning media with various applications that do not require high concentration by selecting appropriate designs and methods. This finding is supported by Kuntardi, who stated that fatigue due to excessive Zoom use resulted in disruption of social functioning. The advice given to overcome this condition is to involve the role of social workers in conducting evaluations, assessments, and intervention to improve social functioning. Fossilen and Duffy also provide practical solution in dealing with this situation, fatigue situation, by zooming users to provide other focus on the eyes, such as minimizing taps or taking their eyes off the screen entirely for a few seconds once in a while, and limiting the duration or time of learning and using other alternative media. From some of the previous research above, we can see that several efforts have been made so that online activities can still run well without having to experience obstacles that can be fatal to a person's health, both physical and mental. However, I haven't seen any solution given from the point of view of spirituality. It cannot be denied that Indonesian society, with a variety of plurality that exists, still often involve spiritual things in dealing with various problems in life. One of the things that I want to offer through the study of this article is how one can eventually face the problem of fatigue in online activities by applying the values contained in Sufism and Kenosis. The approach chooses library research, So through this study, it is hoped that some of the values contained in Sufism and Kenosis, such as self-emptying, emotional control, directing the view to eternity, put of the worldly desires and holy life, can be the basis for a person to survive all challenges in life, especially in fatigue online activities. Through this study, found that some of the values contained in Sufism and Kenosis have become the basis for a person to survive all changes in life, especially amid fatigue doing activity online. Human values as a part of Zoom Politicon must still be put forward as a reflection of one's spiritual journey with God. Thank you.